What I wish I knew before my Honda Accord's aiming system failed. It's easier to fix than you think. Let's break it down. First off, what is the aiming system? In many newer Honda Accords, it helps align sensors for features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping. If you see a dashboard alert saying aiming system not working, don't panic. Most of the time this warning pops up after a windshield replacement or a front-end bump. Sometimes it's just dirty sensors or blocked cameras. Step 1. Check if the area around your windshield, especially near the rearview mirror, is clean and clear. Still seeing the warning? Try restarting your car. Sometimes the system just needs a quick reset. But if the message stays, you'll likely need a professional recalibration. That means a technician uses special equipment to realign your car's sensors. No DIY fix here. And here's a pro tip. If you recently had glass or body work done, ask if the shop recalibrated the system. If not, take your car to a certified Honda service center. Ignoring the aiming system alert means your safety features might not work right. Don't risk it. Get it checked. So next time your Honda Accord flashes that aiming system warning, you'll know exactly what to do. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep your Accord running like new.